Okay, grade 8. Today we are going to do lesson 4 in chapter 2. Solve equations with variables on each side. On page 145. Okay? Solve equations with variables on each side. So we are reading over here. Some equations like this one, 8 plus 4d equals to 5d, have variables on each side. There's a variable on the left of the equal sign and the variable on the right of the equal sign. Okay? To solve, use properties of equality. Properties of equality. So your success criteria, use properties of equality to solve. It says right there. To write an equivalent equation with variables on one side. So you're going to put variables on one side and the numbers on the other side. Variables and numbers should not be together. That's what it's saying. And then you solve. So our success criteria for this lesson, so success criteria, you must know how to read. That's always our first success criteria. You must know how to read correctly. How to read correctly. Okay? Then you must know how to solve using properties of equality. How to solve by using the properties of equality. Okay? By using the properties of equality. And you must know how to do this correctly. I don't want to see people doing, I moved over. No, there is no moving over. You must use property of equality. I need to see you either multiplying or dividing or subtracting with the same value on both sides. I don't want to see, oh, this is negative and then I moved it up. No, Miss Lillian has not taught you this method, please. There is no method for moving over. Please do what the question says. You have to use property of equality. You must solve correctly. You must solve correctly. And then you must check your work. You must check. So for you to be successful, 1, 2, 3, 4. All these 4 points must be done correctly. If one of them is missing, that means you did not get your full mark. All right, let us start. Like any other question, I draw my bridge. Okay? Who is the variable? So what I like doing, well, it doesn't matter, but I like doing letters on the left. So letters on the left, numbers on the right. Numbers on the right. So anything with the letter, take it to the left. Anything with the number, you take it to the right. Okay? Number by itself. Not number with a variable, just number by itself. So 4D is on the right, it needs to come on the left. It is positive 4D because there is no sign here. So I'm going to subtract both sides by 4D. And then I draw this. This becomes 0. I am left with 48. 6D minus 4D is 2D. Then what do? I divide by 2 on both sides. This 2 and this 2 goes away because it is 1. Don't forget to write the 0 there. So this is D equals to 24. And then I check. So my check will be 6D equals to 4D plus 48. 6 times 2. No, 6 times 24. Why did I say 2? Where did I get 2 from? 6 times 24 is equals to 4 times 24 plus 48. This is 24 times 6. 24 times 6 is 144. 4 times 24 is 16, 96 plus 48. So 48 plus 96. 8 plus 6 is 14, carry 1. 4 plus 9 is 13, plus 9. 4 plus 9 is 13, plus 1 is 14. So 144 is equals to 144. And I check my answer. And I am correct. All right, let us do this one. My